Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to measure the height of a really tall building using the mathematical concept of trigonometry. Trigonometry is based on the study of right-angled triangles. It is also concerned with the relationships that exist between the sides and angles of triangles and their measurements. It comes in two forms, spherical and plane. In trigonometry, the ratio between any two sides of a right-angled triangle is given as a function of angles within the triangle. These ratios are called trigonometric functions. There are 6 types of trigonometric functions. 3 of them are commonly used ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. The other 3 are cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Trigonometry is considered to be an important component within every mathematical course, while its rules and formulas has applications in subjects ranging from navigation to engineering. An example of it being used is the Egyptians using it to build their pyramids.
How did the Egyptians build their pyramids using trigonometry? The Egyptians were able to make every triangular side identical, making the structure more stable and solid using the secant. The secant equals the cotangent of an angle, or half times base divided by height. The ancient Egyptians did not use angles to measure the slope. They used the secant. The secant was an ancient unit of measurement for the inclination of the triangular surface of a right-angled triangle.
For our example of using trigonometry in real life, we are going to measure the height of the pinnacle at Duxton. How are we going to do this?
So basically, x is the height of my eye level. Y is the remaining height of the pinnacle. Last but not least, Z is the distance from where I am standing to the pinnacle. Angle of elevation from my eye level to the top of the pinnacle is angle A. Angle of depression from my eye level to the foot of the pinnacle is angle B. Therefore, tangent angle of depression B is equals to x over z. Tangent angle of elevation A is equals to y over z. Since we are able to measure length x, z is equals to x over tangent angle of depression B. Since we now have z, y equals to z tangent angle of elevation A. How do we find the angles needed? We will need to make a clinometer.
Some of the items that we need are as follows: a protractor, tape, a ball of string, straws, and blue tack.
Now that we have the tools necessary and planning done, what is our process of carrying out this investigation? Based on our measurements, x is 1.63 meters, angle B is 8 degrees, and angle A is 85.5 degrees. we have derived that the height of the pinnacle at Duxton is equal to x plus y, which is equals to x plus z tangent a, which is equals to 1.63 meters plus x over tangent b times tangent a, which is equals to 1.63 meters plus 1.63 meters over tangent 8 degrees times tangent 85.5 degrees, which sums up to 149 meters. In conclusion, it is a sin not to love trigonometry, cause it is an essential aspect of our lives. Understand,